I forgot in the hotel. All my coins. So this is Hoover Dam. Hoover Dam lookout. Hoover Dam. We're at the Hoover Dam. Alright, we're still at the Hoover Dam. That's the dam. And that's the water.
That would be sniper.
Yeah, that's the high ground.
There.
Okay, we're in Arizona. We just saw the Hoover Dam, and now we're going back to the bus. Let's ride the bus. Huh? Arizona's a big place. It's really hot in the summer. Really hot and dry in the summer.
Dance? I like dance. More like a full-body dry heave, second music. You're gonna be the first pirate. But I don't want to be a pirate. What are you talking about? The chip. He lives in a bubble. What?